name is Dr. Kerry Yerkew, and welcome to today's Chiropractic Minute. Today we're talking about instability of joints. And when joints pop and crack all the time, the ligaments aren't holding the joint together, causing the pressure in the joint to change and for it to crack and pop. When we see joints that are moving in and out of place, we want to stabilize those joints by first adjusting them to be in the right place. And then secondly, we want to get some exercises, stretches, and strengthening to keep the bones in place so that long term they're stable and healthy and functioning properly.